I'm a local beekeeper here in Hillsdale, and right now I have 14 hives of bees.
And how many bees are in each hive?
Well, it could be probably close to 30,000 to a hive.
That's a lot.
Yeah, right.
So, like, do you need a queen bee in each hive,
yeah.
or?
There's at least one queen bee to every hive.
Okay.
And maybe 200 or 300 drones, which are male bees. And when it comes this time of the year, the worker bees are all females, believe it or not.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought the only females were the queen bee.
No. The workers are all females. But they don't. The queen is the only one that lays the eggs.
Oh, okay.
To reproduce, you know, and for young bees.
Okay.
Right. Yeah. And this time of year, the worker bees live about 6 or 8 weeks. That's all, and their wings wear out. And the queen is capable of laying 200,000 eggs in a year's time.
Really?
So if she were to live to be 5 years old, it's possible for her to lay a million eggs.
That's insane. So how do they decide, like, which of the females is going to be the queen bee?
Yeah, they'll feed a larvae a certain type of food to produce a queen, and usually it's in the springtime, early spring, when they lay enough eggs and produce. They could be a half a dozen queen cells that could hatch out into queens.
Okay.
And if sometimes when one of these queens hatch out, she may go along and sting and kill all the others that are going to hatch out into queens. She doesn't want any competition.
Yeah. Okay.
And if they produce a lot of young bees in a hive in the springtime, they may form what they call a swarm. And then the old queen leaves with a swarm, and the young queen takes over the hive.
And does the old queen, like, establish, like, a new hive?
Yep. She could establish a new hive. And if you're lucky enough to find the swarm, you can hive it and start a new colony of bees.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Otherwise, if you lose it, it may go into the siding of someone's house, or maybe up in a hollow in a tree too. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
That's super interesting.
I know it. Right. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Sure. Oh, you're welcome.